One morning we are going to see the poem Water to a Skylark by Shelley. Water to a Skylark is a poem written by Shelley. This poem was published in 1820. Shelley is a famous romantic poet. His famous poems were Ode to the West Wind, To a Skylark, The Cloud, Hymn to Intercivity. His plays were Prometheus Unbound and The Cenci. He was inspired by the song and appearance of the bird when he was walking with his wife Mary Shelley in evening. This poem begins with the poet who calls the bird as Hail to thee. He also calls the bird as Blithe Spirit, it comes from heaven. Its song is abundant and premeditated art. It is flying higher and higher. It is flying near to the sun. It is flying very near to the clouds in which the sun is shining. He compares the bird to a cloud of fire. He says that the pale purpled sky melts around the flight of this bird. He says that the bird is like the moon. He compares the bird to moon. He says that the bird is as keen as arrows that come from moon. The bird is like the spears that come from moon. The moon is spreading light all over the world. The bird is spreading his song all over the world. The poet compares the bird to a maiden who is locked in a palace tower. The bird's song is that of maidens. The poet compares the skylark to a poet. The bird is composing a poem like a poet. He compares the bird to a glowworm. Like the glowworm, the bird scatters the colors from the skies. Next, the poet compares the skylark to rose. Like the rose, the bird diffuses its song all over the world. The rose spreads its scent to all the petals of its flowers. The poet then questions about the happiness of the bird. Men are afraid of death. The poet is wondering what makes the bird so happy. The bird is free from all the fears and pains of mankind. Men are afraid of death. The poet is also afraid of death. The bird is not having fears and pains of mankind. It is flying in the sky and singing very happily. This poem concludes with the note that the poet will sing a poem like the bird. The whole world will listen to the song of the bird as he is listening now. This poem ends here. Thank you.